Guys, what's up? My name is Amber and I'm going to show you how to do a hip opener that stretches your quads and deeply gets into the hip. I'm first going to show you the full expression of the stretch, and then I will slowly break it down a little bit more to show you how to do this stretch if you are brand new to deep stretching, or maybe you're just really not very flexible right now. For some props that you have around the house, if you have blocks, great, grab them. Books will do, it really doesn't matter. Couch cushions are helpful, pillows, a stool, or even a small bench. Whatever you have, grab it. Coming onto all fours, my knees are directly below my hips, hands are directly below my shoulders. Going to curl my toes on the mat, slowly straighten my knees behind me, come into a downward facing dog. From here, I'm going to bring my right foot up in between my hands. As I slowly lower my knee to this blanket, you'll want to grab a blanket or a towel. The knee pressure can be real. Rest the top of my foot on my mat. Slowly heel toe my foot all the way to the opposite edge of my mat so that my leg is perpendicular. As you can see, there's a long way for me to go here. If your hips are really tight, you'll start to feel a little bit of pressure in the knee. That's your indication to bring this foot closer to your thigh. Bend that knee, straightening out this back leg, feeling an even amount of weight in both of my hips. Here, hang out right here. Maybe you want to grab some blocks or books to help ease any wrist pain that you might have. And this works just fine. You would want to hold this pose starting off at 2 minutes and eventually working your way to 5 minutes. And then from here, slowly lower my elbows down to the ground. If I wanted to take a little bit of the pressure off of my hips, you could always use this elbows here. That's just fine too. Or maybe take it all the way down and then just extend those hands above the head and rest your forehead on the mat. This is the full expression of the stretch. If you're unable to get to that, which many people are, whether you're just new to stretching or maybe you're not very flexible, grab some couch pillows or cushions, whatever you have. I'm going to put this right in the middle of our mat. From here, I'm coming up onto my knees. So I'm going to take my left foot just over the top of the pillow. And from here, I'm going to heel toe this foot to the other side of the mat as I slowly lower this back leg. Voila! I'm feeling it in the hips. You can slowly lower yourself to the ground. Maybe grab your chair, put some blocks on it to bring up the height of it a little bit. Use this to rest on. So I'm coming on. To come out of the stretch, place your hands firmly on the ground, or if you're on a stool, slowly get this out of the way. Heel toe, back. Come back onto all fours. Guys, if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe, or leave me a comment below. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video.